guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to like notes on Instagram. Easy guide. So let's get started. So first of all, you would want to go into your app store, and from here you want to type in Instagram because we would want to update our Instagram app or install it. So as you can see here in Instagram, I have the update button right here, which means an update is available. If this is also your case, you would want to tap on update and Instagram would be updated right here because you need the updated version of Instagram in order for you to like notes, because if it's outdated, chances are you don't have that feature on the current version of your Instagram app. All right, so now it's done updating. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on open right here in our Instagram app. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the messages section. So it's on the top right here. And from here, you can see that I have some notes from my friends right here. So what I'm gonna do with this one is that I'm gonna select a note. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So from here, I can tap on the heart button on the right side. As you can see like this, it would mean that I have reacted to the note of this person with a heart. So if you have accidentally put or reacted a heart into someone's note, then you can just remove it by tapping the heart right here again at the right side of your screen. Or you could also do it like this. If you want to do it fast, then you can just double tap on the profile right here. As you can see, it says heart right there. You can see the heart. So that would mean that I have reacted a heart emoji right here on that note. So all you have to do is double tap just like so. And that is basically it on how to like notes on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.